です。暑い。暑い。暑い。
Gokigenya everyone! I got another Golden Week little adventure here, and for today we're heading about an hour away from Fukuoka City to see one of Japan's most beautiful Golden Week traditions, the Koinobori festival here in Kanna, Gunma. So Golden Week is one of Japan's biggest holiday seasons, and during this time, Children's Day is celebrated to pray for their health, happiness, and bright future. That's why you'll see colorful koi streamers. They are called Koinobori, flying all over Japan every May. But here in Kanna, they do it in a whole different scale. You see, hundreds of giant Koinobori swimming or flying, I don't know, swimming above the river, surrounded by mountains, fresh spring air, what else? Food stalls, of course, and families enjoying the holiday weekend. I swear these food stalls were already waving at me the moment you got here. I had to grab myself this sweet corn with barbecue flavor, just to fully feel the spirit of Koinobori too. Excuses. And they also have this cute little playground for kids. Let's stay here for a bit so we can hear the birds chirping and the sound of the river more clearly, and just try to reconnect with nature for a moment. Now, when we got home, it was already past 2 p.m. and I told the cousin that I wanted to eat apple pie or apple cake. So we decided to make one together. Well, by together, I mean the cousin did all the baking, all the making, while I just stood there giving moral support, yeah, and acting as food tasters always.
レモン汁大さじ2分の1。
So here's Akasan making her homemade apple cake masterpiece.
Today, Okasan and I were making apple cake. Okasan. Hi. Moment t-shirt. Check it. Atarashi t-shirt.
Yes. Anyway.
The apple cake is done. Apple cake, kansi desu. Kansi desu. Atsui. 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 笑わないで。
Whipped cream? 私もそう思う。いただきます。ありがとうございます。
And that's it. Thanks for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。